Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible sings, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. From that song that angels sing, listen what they say. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flock by night, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir sing, the music seems to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today. That man will live forever because of Christmas Day. From that song that angels sing, listen what they sing. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Oh my Lord, you sent your Son to save us. Oh my Lord, you verily said to give us. Oh my Lord, then save and not enslave us, and your love me reigns once more. Oh my Lord, and in the crowd they found him. Oh my Lord, a golden halo crown him. Oh my Lord, they gathered all around him to see him and adore. Oh my Lord, you got us in a reason. Oh my Lord, they came with jubilation. Oh my Lord, and full of admiration, they realized what they had.
Joyful and jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the box, the air was bright time is the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go the line in a one-horse race. Carry on, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix up, mingle and jingle and beat. That's the jingle bell rock. Carry on, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle and jingle and beat. That's the jingle bells. That's the jingle bells. That's the jingle bell rock.
As it's Christmas season, so there isn't any reason we can dance a Christmas polka. Here is sleigh bells ringing, everybody singing, dancing a Christmas polka. Christmas trees and party, they can free run of joy, and love just fills the air. It's a wonderful world for the boys and the girls while dancing a Christmas polka. As it's Christmas season, so there isn't any reason we can dance a Christmas polka. Here is sleigh bells ringing, everybody singing, dancing a Christmas polka. Christmas trees and party, they can free run of jolly, and love just fills the air. It's a wonderful world for the boys and the girls while dancing a Christmas polka.